So one of the extensions that you can add in to increase the functionality of Google Classroom is audio recordings for Google Classroom, which allows you to leave out audio recording comments. So to go around and install that, I'm going to go around onto chrome.google.com right here and /web store right here, just like this. So you can go around and just type this in and press enter. And what happens is that you get access to the web store. So now what you can do is you can go around and type in audio recording for Google Classroom right here, just like this, and press enter. So once you do that, what happens is that it searches out for this particular extension right here. So you can see that it is searching. And then this is the result, as you can see, audio recording for Google Classroom. So as I were to go around and click on this, it says easily add voice feedback to Google Classroom, as you can see right here. And this works with other G Suite application as well, like Gmail, Google Docs, Slide, Forms, and Sheets, as you can see right here. So let me just go around and click on add to Chrome and click on add extension. And once you do that, what happens is that the extension will be installed right here. And you can see that this is what you have right here. So you can see that this is how you can go around and preview and insert it right here. So I'm just going to go around and pin the audio recording right here. So it says you can only record on Google Classroom, Google Docs, or Gmail right here. So navigate on one of these sites. So let's go around and restart this out right here and close everything else. And you can see the beep effect right here. If I were to go around over here, you can see that tap to record is an option right here. The beep effect is there, as you can see. So now what you can do right here is you can go around and click on beep, and you need to go around and continue with Google. As you can see, you do need to allow the permission right here. So I'm just going to go around and click on my account right here, just like this. And what happens is that I can go around and choose. I'm going to say over 18, press done. And then what happens is that the beep account will be logged in my Gmail right here. The permission is provided. So if I were to go around and click on beep right here, it asks me if I can use, the beep can use the microphone. So I'm just going to say allow. And what happens is that the audio is starting to get recorded, as you can see right here. So I can go around and pause it, which pauses out my audio, and resume it, and it resumes out my audio right here. And if I were to click on save, then what happens is that it processes out the audio, as you can see right here. And then you can see that you can simply go around and paste out this link. So you can go around onto this, you can copy this out and paste out this link right here, which allows you to go around and add in comments in audio, as you can see right here, just like this. And it gets added in as a voice note attachment, as you can see right here. I'm going to say allow. And what happens is, and as you click, you'll be able to see that it simply goes around and adds in the recording over here. And that is how you can go around and test out audio recordings in your comments as feedbacks for your students. And even the students can go around and add in audio recordings as a comment so that they can communicate with other class members, or that is other students or teachers. And that is how you can utilize the audio recordings for Google Classroom extension to add in the audio recording functionality inside of Google Classroom. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.